Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create this smooth camera movement in After Effects using my plugin Camera3D Toolkit Pro. You'll find the download link for the plugin in the description. First, import your main image. I'm using one generated with ChatGPT, but you can choose any image you like. I drop it into the timeline, then I add a few transparent PNG images on top of the background layer. Tip: always place the anchor point where you want the camera to focus. Keep it in the center for a classic framing, or move it around if you want a different effect. The camera only follows the anchor point. Once your layers are ready, just click on Quick Setup. The plugin automatically creates a camera and spaces out your layers in 3D. By default, the spacing is 1000 pixels, but I'll increase it to 5000 pixels to add more depth. Then I resize the images slightly to better fill the scene. After that, I click on Match so the camera aligns perfectly with the background. Now I select the layer and use Target to set an animation point. Here, I set it for 8 seconds. You can already see the camera moving automatically towards the selected image. I can repeat this process with other layers to create a smooth animation across multiple elements. By default, the camera makes small pauses between transitions. To make the movement more cinematic, I enable motion blur and use the overlap function. This slightly overlaps the animations, creating a continuous and fluid motion without any stops. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can turn simple images into an immersive 3D animation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, the link to download Camera3D Toolkit Pro is right below in the description. See you soon for more tips.